Alright, I'm just downstairs from the movie theater because we have something so exciting today. At least it is for me and my family. Now, we've been delayed all this time from getting carpet installed, almost a month now from the time we bought it, because, well, I'm so sick and tired of talking about it and hearing about it on the news that I don't even want to say what the reason was. But you know the big thing going on right now in the news? Well, because of that, the company was delayed and was restricted from being able to go into people's homes and install carpet. Well, that's been lifted, so finally we have carpet. We can move on with so many other things. It's time to take a look at it. So Ethan, do you approve of the carpet?
Yeah, because it's mostly gray. It's like black, gray, and brown, and a little bit of brown. But that's good like that because it fits with all the black walls and ceilings, and the little touches of brown make it kind of more light.
And just like that, we've got brand new carpet. And I can even tell the sound absorption is better. Without that hard surface on the bottom, we still have a little bit of echo, but there's nowhere near as much echo as there was before. That's a good sign. That means I won't have to do so much treatment on the walls and the ceiling. I will still do some, but nowhere near as much. Man, it looks great. I was a little nervous because, like an idiot, I ordered this carpet without looking at it first. I just ordered it online through the Home Depot app. And then I went to the store and about a week later decided to look at it to see kind of what it looks like. And then I went and it looked, obviously like it always does, it looked different in person than it did on my phone. Mistake, maybe, maybe not. It ended up being a great decision. It matches, it looks great. Tanya came home at lunchtime from work. She saw it, she loved it, and Ethan is super excited about it. Right, Ethan?
Uh-huh.
Well, come on now. What do you like about the carpet? You get to run?
Yeah, and I can tumble. I can just do whatever. I can throw myself around.
Barefooted?
Yep.
Run around?
Barefooted. Not worrying about stepping on anything sharp. Not having to worry about any of that. I can just
All right.
freely run around.